Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete a YouTube short from your channel. So let's get started. So it is a quite easy and straightforward process. All you have to do is open your YouTube app and sign in with your Google account. Now all you have to do is click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your YouTube homepage. Then tap on the Your Videos option available in the bottom. Now it will take you to the videos you have uploaded. From there, tap on the Shorts option available in the highlights of the above. Now all you have to do is tap on the three dot option available right next to the video and a drop down menu will appear. From there, you'll have to choose the delete option available there. Now tap on the delete again and it will be easily deleted. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.